Here is how to allow the Discord app on the iPad to access your microphone. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you become part of the community and you'll never miss anything important. Anyways, you might have the Discord app downloaded, and whenever you are using or you clicked on a feature within the app which uses microphone, you'll likely get a pop-up asking you if you want to allow it or not. And whichever option you decided to click on, it's not really a huge deal because you can change it later in the settings, and you can find it by going to the settings app, then finding the apps, and at the bottom and locating the Discord. So it's all sorted alphabetically. You should find the Discord app right here, and all of the things like the photos access, the notifications, live activities, and so on can be found in here, obviously including the microphone as well. So this toggle has to be enabled so the app can actually access your built-in microphone for the use of the app. So this is where you can find it. That's basically the thing. When it comes to all of the apps which access your microphone, you can also find the same thing sort of inside of the privacy and security section, where you have a dedicated microphone section, and all of the apps have which can access microphone will be in here, included the Discord. So I guess there would be another way to turn it on or off, but that would be about it from me. I really hope that I could help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and stick until the end, and I'll catch you later in the next quick tips and tutorials like this one.